Hi, my death friends. I apologize for being MIA on content for most of this week, but things are happening that I'm very excited about. First of all, I got to meet in person with the hospice volunteer coordinator for the hospice where I volunteer, and I actually got to start seeing patients in person this week. It's so fulfilling to just be able to give a caregiver who's been providing 24/7 care for their loved one during this pandemic a little bit of a break, just to go outside, to go shopping, just to sit outside in nature for a few minutes. So if you are thinking about ways you can make a difference in your community, please consider contacting your local hospice. Medicare requires your hospice agencies to get 5% of their patient time by volunteers. So it's really needed. There's all kinds of things that you can do, and you don't have to provide hands-on care. So think about it and have a good